Hello everyone. Here I am Pallavi Deshmukh. Once again welcome all of you in today's session. Today's experiment is to determine the strength of oxalic acid by titration with KMnO4. The apparatus which are needed for the experiment is burette, pipette, conical flask, volumetric flask, weighing bottle and funnel. Solutions which are required for the experiment: standard oxalic acid zero point 0.1 normal, potassium permanganate solution, 5 normal dilute H2SO4 solution and unknown oxalic acid solution. The theory behind this is the example of redox reaction. Oxalic acid is oxidized to CO2 by the oxidizing agent, that is potassium permanganate, which itself gets reduced to MnSO4. The reaction takes place in an acidic medium. This reaction is very slow at room temperature and therefore carried out at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. In this reaction, the KMnO4 is converted into MnSO4. The oxidation state of the Mn in KMnO4 is +7, while the oxidation state of the Mn in MnSO4 is +2. The Mn7 plus ion is converted into Mn2 plus ion by using the oxalic acid as a reducing agent. In this case, the Mn7 plus ion is converted into Mn2 plus ion by the gain of 5 electron. So, the equivalent weight of the KMnO4 is calculated by the formula, that is molecular weight divided by number of electron gain, and in this case the number of electron gain is 5. So, the equivalent weight of the KMnO4 is 31.60. The oxalate ion loses 2 electrons to form CO2. So, the equivalent weight of an oxalic acid can be calculated by dividing the molecular weight by the number of electron loses, which is 2. The reaction between potassium permanganate and oxalic acid takes place at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Once a small amount of Mn dipositive ion is formed, it acts as an autocatalyst and the reaction goes to the completion. Potassium permanganate acts as a self-indicator and extra drop of the KMnO4 at equivalence point produces the permanent pink color. Now the procedure. In the first step, we have to prepare 0.1 normal oxalic acid solution, and for that we have to note down the weight of empty, clean and dry weighing bottle. After that, add an approximately 0.65 gram of the oxalic acid into the empty weighing bottle and note down the weight. Now transfer the substance from the weighing bottle to the 100 ml of volumetric flask with the help of the funnel and note down the weight of weighing bottle after transferring the compound. Now dissolve the oxalic acid in the minimum quantity of water and make up the volume up to the mark. Now this is the standard oxalic acid solution. This whole process are represented in the presented slide. Now the next step is the standardization of KMnO4 solution with the help of standard oxalic acid solution. For that, fill the burette with the KMnO4 solution. Now pipette out 10 ml of standard oxalic acid solution in the clean conical flask and add equal volume of, that is 10 ml of dilute H2SO4 solution. Now heat the content gently about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Run the KMnO4 solution from the burette into the conical flask and shake it under the hot condition. Continue the addition of KMnO4 solution until the light pink color just appear and persist for about 30 seconds. Now it is the end point. Repeat the process of titration till we get the 3 constant readings. Now the third step is the determination of strength of given oxalic acid solution, that is unknown oxalic acid solution. For that, pipette out 10 ml of unknown oxalic acid solution into the clean conical flask and add equal volume of, that is 10 ml of H2SO4 solution. Heat the flask gently about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Now run the KMnO4 solution from the burette into the flask and shake it under the hot condition. Continue the addition of KMnO4 solution until a light pink color just appear and persist for about 30 seconds. Now this is the end point. Repeat the titration till the 3 constant readings are obtained. Now the observations and calculations. Weight of the empty weighing bottle is 17 gram. Weight of the weighing bottle plus oxalic acid is 17.66 gram. Weight of the weighing bottle plus remaining oxalic acid which is left after transfer of the oxalic acid from the weighing bottle to the volumetric flask is 17.01 gram. So the weight of oxalic acid taken is 17.66 gram minus 17.01 gram, which is 0.65 gram. This table shows the volume of KMnO4 required. 9.7 ml of the KMnO4 is required for titration of 10 ml of standard oxalic acid solution. This table is for the determination of strength of given oxalic acid solution, and from this table we can say that 8.3 ml of KMnO4 is required for the titration of 10 ml of unknown oxalic acid solution. The calculations, that is weight of oxalic acid dissolved in 1000 ml of this solution is equal to W into 10, that is the weight of oxalic acid exactly taken into 10, which is 6.5 gram per liter. And from that the normality of oxalic acid can be calculated by using the same formula, that is strength upon equivalent weight. So we get the normality of oxalic acid which is 0.1 normal. By knowing the normality of oxalic acid solution, the normality of KMnO4 solution can be calculated, which is found to be 0.1 normal. And the normality of unknown oxalic acid solution can be calculated by using the calculated normality of KMnO4 solution, which is found to be 0.083 normal. The normality of KMnO4 solution is 0.1 normal and the normality of unknown oxalic acid solution is found to be 0.083 normal. Therefore, the strength of given oxalic acid can be calculated by using the formula, that is normality of unknown oxalic acid into its equivalent weight, and the equivalent weight of the oxalic acid is 63.05 gram. So the strength of given oxalic acid is 5.233 gram. Therefore, the result is the strength of given unknown oxalic acid is found to be 5.233 gram per liter. Thank you. Thank you so much.